silent song which is given to us for each one of us, and it is written as the history of India. When we say Vande Mataram, we are not just uttering words, we are paying tribute to our motherland, our Bharat Mata, who has nurtured us with her love, culture and heritage. The song Vande Mataram was written in 1875 by the great patriot and the poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in his novel Anandamath. Later it was given musical life by Rabindranath Tagore, and it soon became the heartbeat of our freedom struggle. During the fight for independence, these two words, Vande Mataram, echoed in every street, on every lip, and in every protest. They united Indians across religions, languages, and regions. It became more than a slogan. It became a spirit, a call for courage and unity. Even leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lala Lajpat Rai held the song in deep respect. It gave our ancestors the strength to face oppression and to dream of a free India. As we mark 150th years of Vande Mataram, let us remember that its message is still alive today. It reminds us to love and serve our country selflessly, not just through words, but through our actions. Whether it is by protecting our environment, helping others, studying sincerely, or working honestly. Every small act done for a good cause, for the good of our nation, in a true tribute to our Vande Mataram. So today, as we proudly say Vande Mataram, let it not be just a chant of past, but a promise for the future, a promise to keep India strong, united and peaceful. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.